Modi regime has asked the government employees to hoist the Indian flag over their houses in connection with the Independence Day falling on 15th August. Directorate of School Education Jammu in a declaration said all government officers and officials of the Education Department may hoist the tricolor over their houses while giving due regard to the flag note. All parties, Hurriyat Conference leaders and organizations have expressed deep concern over the plight of incarcerated Hurriyat leaders, youth and activists languishing in different jails. APHC leaders in their separate statements in Srinagar urged the United Nations Council for Human Rights and other international human rights organizations to visit the jails of India and occupied Kashmir to take stock of the pathetic situation faced by the Kashmiri detainees. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has paid glowing tributes to the renowned Kashmiri leader Shaheed-e-Azimat Sheikh Abdul Aziz ahead of his 15th martyrdom anniversary. In a statement issued in Srinagar today, the DFP spokesman said Shaheed Sheikh Abdul Aziz devoted his entire life to the Kashmir cause. Hindutva goons set fire to the Muslim shrine in Haryana state of India. A group of charged men set afire the shrine in the Gurugram's Khansa village in Zainabad village of the Haryana's Rewari district. The Sarpanch of the Gram Panchayat wrote to the local police station informing it about the decision of the Hindus to boycott the Muslims, whom she described as miscreants. Armed Hindutva group on the motorcycles launched a targeted attack on the shops owned by the Muslims in the Haryana state of India. The attack saw Hindus forcibly entering the market, brandishing the swords and knives and hurling threats on the traders in the Panipat area of the volatile Indian state. A Kashmiri man who was returning from Qatar has been arrested by the police in New Delhi, India. The police arrested Irshad Ahmed Khan, a resident of the Bandipora occupied Kashmir, while he was returning from Qatar.